You have designed your strategy, run the backtests through historical data, and tuned the parameters to find a configuration that works. Now we are going to bridge the gap between testing and execution by taking that specific backtest result and converting it into a functioning trading robot. Before we begin this sequence, make sure you have already connected your brokerage account to the platform via the brokerage page. This deployment process takes your theoretical model out of the sandbox and places it into real-world market conditions, setting up systematic execution without emotional interference. To get started, navigate to your test results page and locate the specific optimized test you want to deploy. On that test result row, click the purple Options button on the far right. From the expanded menu, select Create Robot to open the Deployment Configuration panel. This brings us to Step 1, the setup phase. You will see that the rule set, the schedule set, and the graphic symbol, including your selected time frame, are preloaded directly from your backtest. These inherited settings act as the robot's DNA. Once the robot is generated, these core elements cannot be edited. Locking these fields guarantees the exact logic you validated during testing is preserved, preventing accidental shifts to your trading rules during live deployment. Moving down to Step 2, the order settings, you will define how your robot interacts with the market. You can select Paper Robot if you want to run your strategy on live market data without risking real money. In this mode, the system automatically uses the graphic symbol you selected in Step 1 to simulate order execution. Alternatively, if you are ready to execute actual trades, toggle the selection to Live Robot. This opens your broker settings. Use the drop-down to select your connected brokerage account. Next, you need to search for and select the specific order symbol that your broker recognizes for this asset. It is important to map this correctly. The graphic symbol runs the analytical logic, while the order symbol dictates the exact asset your broker will buy or sell on your behalf. Configuring this step accurately guarantees your robot's orders are routed directly to the intended account and applied to the correct market. Let's scroll down to Step 3, the budget section, where you will set your financial boundaries. For the most consistent results, apply the exact same risk methodology and leverage here that produced your successful backtest. Select your budget calculation method, then input your budget amount and your preferred leverage value. As you enter these numbers, the system dynamically calculates your resulting order amount and position size based on the current market price of the symbol. Down in Step 4, you give your robot an identity by filling out the name, description, and tags fields. Use clear, descriptive names and tags here. These labels will help you organize and filter your portfolio as you deploy more strategies over time. The final requirement is to read and sign the risk consent letter, acknowledging your responsibility for the automated trades. Once you are satisfied with the configuration, click the final Create button at the bottom of the screen to initiate deployment. Your strategy is now automated, but you remain the primary pilot. You have full authority to pause the robot, manually intervene, or adjust the settings at any time. With those final inputs, your mathematical model is now a disciplined financial agent. The robot is successfully deployed, and the system will automatically transition you to the control panel. This dashboard serves as your central hub. It tracks your active robots, monitors open positions, and logs real-time profit and loss. From this screen, you can oversee your automated strategies across multiple markets and adjust your budget allocations on the fly to manage portfolio-level risk. You have taken your idea from a backtest into a functional system. Now it is time to review your results and deploy your first robot.